on guys, it's me here again, Peter, and today we got the GoPro Hero 3 Plus Silver to open it, to unbox it. So let's see what they got here. Just a basic one is they can shoot in 1080p 60 frames per second, 720p 120 frames per second, and 960p 60 frames per second. It also can what they call control view and share via Wi-Fi, and 10 megapixel, so that's a 10 frame per burst or something like that. So let's get into it. So first they have like a sticker here. This pull it out with both sides sticker.
Jack it up.
And then you just slide it right off. Simple as that. Simple as that. Okay, so and yeah, they also got the seal around it, as you can see here. Yep, you can see the seal. We're gonna take that out. They have the arrow here. So easy. Oh my god. Why so sticky? Okay. Take that right off too. And after that it's ready, you just pop it out. Voila! It's a nice GoPro Hero 3, guys. Okay, so first you wanna remove it. It's easy, just squeeze these two in and you push right out. And here we go, the tiniest GoPro. And this you can keep this like a tripod if you want, like it's like a free tripod, hopefully. And we're gonna set the GoPro aside first. I'm gonna show you guys what in the box. So you open it up, see the dual battery charger, user guide, manual stuff, some warranty, and hopefully. Yep, there's a whole bunch of them inside. Also got a GoPro sticker too. That's cool. They got a bunch of things. And this user manual, slide like this. Shake it all out. The last thing is, yeah, this is the last thing. The warranty. So set all this aside here. Yep, here we go. We have like a clip here, box. You can open it up, and you will see all the accessories inside here. We got like what they call USB and charge your device. We got two of them, extra one. That's really good thing. We got a couple of the mount and also the battery charger, plus the battery. And another thing here, what we call. Oh, they also got the Velcro and the extra lid from the top, from the back GoPro. And they have extra battery. It's a good thing. Yep, GoPro. Okay, put on this side. So we got two battery, we got one charger, couple of mount, and two USB. One lead from the back. And here we are, is the GoPro Hero 3 Plus Silver. So let's see how to open it. Okay, so let's see how to open it. Wow. Well, this is new for me, guys. Not really sure how to open this thing, but yep, flip it out like this, and here it is. I think we're gonna have to screw that thing out too. Okay, screw it out. When you screw it out, we got like a thing clip onto it. Yeah, it's like a small thing clip onto it. And here's the screw come out already. And we're gonna pop it out. Just like that. Then you open it. And just twilight off. Here we go, guys. This is the GoPro Hero 3. Sorry for the lightning. I doesn't have a good light for the video yet, so yeah, just using the desktop light. So here we go, guys. This is the GoPro Hero 3 Plus Silver Edition, and that's it, guys. Here it all comes with all the accessory. Let me move down the camera tripod a little bit so you guys can see all the accessory we got. Okay, and that's all you got, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to thumbs up for this, subscribe for more. Bye.